All right, this is the WEEBILL-S Gimbal made by Zhiyun. Just got this right here and I'm excited about opening it up and reviewing it for you really quick. So right here is the box, the packaging that it comes in. I'm just gonna go over right here. There's a little area right here for getting in, like a little sticker. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this back. All right, and then just gonna open up the box accordingly. It's a little tough to get into, but I should be able to get into it momentarily. So here are the boxes, the box clamps. It's kind of tough to get into. I don't want to rip the box up too much, but if I have to, I have to. So I got in that. That was a little tough. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom that out. Open it up. It's kind of complicated packaging to get out of. At least I'm making it seem like it's complicated. So inside is the gimbal. All right. So here's the packaging. Looks like some sort of bag over the packaging. I'm gonna pull out the gimbal itself. And right here is some of the literature to read right there. Directions, brief directions. I'll look at that later. Here's another pamphlet. I'm not exactly sure what's inside of this. Comes inside. Service card for servicing the gimbal, as well as instructions. Read that later for bathroom. And so inside of here is the actual gimbal. It's like some sort of styrofoam to protect it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back. Open it up. Wow, it's pretty cool. Little flavor packets. Throw them away. And here is, whoa, the gimbal. Kind of heavy, a little bit. Wasn't expecting to be that heavy, but I'm guessing if it's carrying a device, it's gonna have a little bit of weight to it. It's not light, I can tell you that. Not light whatsoever. All right, and on this side comes the batteries. The pack right here, open them up later. As well as the battery holder. I believe this is attachment for the camera. Inside of here is some cables. Cables for charging, maybe cables for connecting to your phone device. There's a lot of cables in here, good galore. I don't know what all these are for. Maybe they're useful for something. I guess this is for attaching to the camera. Do not lose this. It seems like a very important package right there. And this, I believe, is for attaching the camera too. I'll go over the instructions and put it together. And this is part of the piece that attaches to the bottom. I believe this quick release right there, isn't it? There's quick release. Yeah, there's a quick release button. Deal with that later. This is a stand, also part-times as a handle. Attach that. So that's unboxing of the gimbal, and you know, review. It's pretty heavy, heavier than I want it to be, but especially like for traveling, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble some of it the best way I know how to. Right here's the batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, the batteries. Use a little teeth action. Gnawed it down a little bit. Go ahead and pull out the batteries. And I've put batteries in enough places in my life to understand how this works. Just look at this. It shows which direction to put the batteries in. Going to put the batteries in that way and that way. So they're ready to be put in. Just guessing where this goes. I'm not exactly sure. I'll figure it out. I'll read the instructions, but those are the batteries. This is the unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Thanks a lot for watching.